Well, good morning. I'm trying to build a bed frame with some posts that have dowels going through into the joining frame part that's horizontal. And the issue is I drilled a 35mm hole. That's a 35mm drill bit. I checked that's perfect. I didn't check the dowel. The dowel was supposed to be 35mm. There you can see it, 35 by a meter. The issue though turned out that was not the case. Let me check that for you so you can see that. I didn't check the dowel in this case, so this is 34 and something, doesn't matter. The issue now is I have a hole that is just too big. As you can see, it's wiggling a little bit. And I think some of you might have the same issue, and I couldn't find a solution online, so now I'm trying to fix this issue. I glued in a short piece of dowel into this piece. I used lots and lots of glue. I also used some sanding dust on the sides, and hopefully if I cut this flush I can re-drill a hole with another drill bit. In that case it would be a 25mm drill bit I have right here, and I have a new dowel that is, let me check, also supposed to be 25. If my focus, there you can see it, it says on the top 25mm. And if I check this now with the calipers, we should have 25mm on the spot. That's good. So I will do that and then I'll head back to you. Alright, so now I've flush cut with one of those Japanese saws, and then I had the stump left over and I cleaned it up a little bit with a chisel so that it's flush with the surface. And now I have to refine the center and re-drill. Alright, I have made one of those templates. That's just cheap MDF I had left over. I drilled a 25mm hole, and before I drill anything else I wanted to check the dowel with the drill bit, and this is the fit that I was looking for. It's moving, but it's still tight. So this is the fit that I'm looking for. Now after some drilling, your holes should look like that, previous, after. So now you have a ring of, in this case, hardwood, which is also why it was a pain to drill into, I have to say. But now the dowel fits much tighter and it doesn't come off. So in this case, even though it looks like there's a lot of gap, the dowel is pretty much in there and I can finally work with it. So I hope this helps you as well, and good luck on drilling. I would refrain from using hardwood plugs in softwood like I did, because the drilling again is a pain. Again, good luck.